Weather.
There's some storms we're watching.
Yeah, it's not ideal for tomorrow. And Friday's going to be better, though, and then the weekend looks good. So kind of got to get through tomorrow first, and then things improve. Tonight, temperatures are starting to cool off a little bit. It's 34 right now in Portland, 30 in Lewiston. Augusta's at 36 degrees. Currently, Waterville's at 30, Bangor at 27. These temperatures are going to be very important, of course, as the precipitation moves in over the next couple of hours. Right now, most of that precip over in New Hampshire, most of it in southern New Hampshire, but we will see it move into the state, really going through the next couple of hours in far southern Maine. Then it will continue to move to the north and east as we go through tomorrow morning. And there's plenty of it. You will notice that as we go throughout the day tomorrow, it'll be fairly sporadic, kind of off and on throughout the day. But at times, we'll see some heavy downpours. At least we're not getting the severe weather that we've seen across the south, and we're still seeing in parts of North Carolina, and there is a tornado watch even into parts of southwestern Virginia tonight. But we're not going to see that. It's going to be mainly rain with some ice as well, or mainly ice with some rain as well closer to the coast. The majority of us will see some ice to start. You can see about 4 a.m. we're starting to see the rain into southern Maine. Again, close to the coast, that little section there, it's going to be rain because the temperatures will just be too warm. Everywhere else will start as some sort of a frozen precipitation, snow on the very kind of front end of this, and then it'll quickly change over to some sleet. So just, of course, be careful. Tomorrow morning, this is about 7 a.m. So if you're thinking, about driving to work or school tomorrow, it could be a little bit slick if you're away from the coast for sure. So take your time out there and leave a little extra time to get to where you need to go. By 10 o'clock, we're seeing the snow start in the greater Bangor area, Waterville over to Augusta seeing snow. Notice Lewiston, Auburn has changed to some sleet pellets, but all along the coast, we're mainly seeing rain. Could start with a couple wet snowflakes in both Bar Harbor and Rockland, but once we start to get temperatures like these in the upper 30s, it's hard for it to stay, of course, as frozen precipitation. It can happen, but it's a little tougher for sure. As we go into tomorrow afternoon, we'll continue to see this, again, fairly sporadic. It's not going to be, something like heavy downpours all day. We'll see some showers kind of off and on throughout the day. Going to be a cold rain, of course, with temperatures only in the upper 30s, so not an ideal day. Make sure you're staying bundled up. Things start to kind of give us a little bit of a break as we head into Thursday night. Again, some showers around, still some sleet pellets. Then things get a little bit heavier for a time as we head late Thursday into early Friday, but notice what happens as we go throughout the morning on Friday. Things start to dry out. Skies start to clear out too. By about 10 o'clock Friday morning, we're starting to see a clearing in southern and western Maine. And then as we go into Friday afternoon, some more breaks of sunshine. That's going to help temperatures warm up for sure. And things look not too bad by Friday afternoon. And then heading into the weekend doesn't look too bad either. As far as accumulation goes for tomorrow, less than an inch. The sleet, of course, it takes a lot of it to accumulate to much of anything, but definitely some slick spots possible with all that sleet. Not ideal to drive in. 1 to 3 as you head farther to the north, and then 3 to 6 in far northern Maine. Temperatures will be more comfortable by Friday afternoon. Saturday looks good too. Start of the weekend actually looking pretty nice for us. Seas tomorrow morning around 2 to 4 feet. Tomorrow afternoon, they're more like 4 to 6. Winds from the southeast. 15 to 20, gusting to around 30. So yeah, a lot of sleet away from the coast. Again, at the immediate coast, we're going to see mainly rain. We'll start with an hour or two of some frozen stuff, but away from the coast, we'll eventually change over to rain as we head into Friday. A little bit of a mix early Friday morning, but Friday afternoon, actually looks pretty good. Maybe once you get out of work on Friday, if you have a nice normal schedule, things will be nice. So Friday afternoon, we'll see the sun come out. And then the first half of the weekend looks pretty nice for Saturday, warm. And then Sunday's a little bit cooler, but not awful.
Yeah.
Not bad.
Just enough to make a mess, and then we move on.
Yeah.
All right, Jess, thanks.